I grew a brand new Faceless YouTube channel to 500 subscribers in just 30 days. And in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down exactly how I did it so that you can follow along and do it yourself. First things first, we need to pick a niche and target keyword. So if you go over to YouTube and type in something like "make money online," you'll see that there are hundreds of thousands of videos for this keyword. But then if we go down to the people also search for section, we can get some ideas for more niche down keywords that have less competition. So I chose the keyword "make money online surveys," and I went ahead and created 2 channels around this keyword. You can choose any keyword that you like from this section. You don't necessarily need to go with "make money online" or something super broad like that. You can literally pick anything from this list and have just as much success. Next, you want to upload 2 videos per day. One of those videos should be a short, and one of those videos should be a long form. This is the exact ratio that I uploaded. You can see here I did 30 short videos and 30 long form videos over the course of the 30 days. I was very strict about this, and I made sure that every single day I would upload exactly 2 videos. For the shorts, I followed the exact formula that I teach inside of my YouTube Shorts crash course. If you haven't already gotten access to that, make sure to click the link in the description below and grab it right now. It's completely free. The reason why I give away this stuff for free is because I've had a lot of success doing YouTube, and I just want to help other people out. There are so many people who don't know how to leverage AI tools to grow themselves on YouTube and other social media platforms, and I want to help them out by giving them the knowledge for free. Now for the long-form videos, I used a combination of ChatGPT and CapCut to speed up my workflow. There are lots of different ways that you could do this. You could film your own videos, you could hire a voice actor, you could use stock footage, but in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. So first things first, I went ahead and asked ChatGPT to write me a script for a video about making money online with surveys. Once I got the response from ChatGPT, I went ahead and copied that and pasted it into my caption editor. After that, I went ahead and deleted the intro and the outro because I didn't need them, and then I just left the rest of the content. I could have literally stopped right there and exported this video and it would have been good enough to rank on YouTube. But since I have access to AI art, I decided to take it one step further and create a video that looks a little bit better than just a basic AI-generated video. So I went ahead and made some prompts using Midjourney based on each scene. And then once I got the outputs back from Midjourney, I went ahead and cut them up and put them into my video using CapCut. After that, I just added an outro and an intro and I was done. As you can see, this process doesn't take a lot of time at all. Literally anybody could do this. The most important part of this entire strategy is making sure that you keep your retention high. The best way to do this is to have a strong hook. In the past, I've talked about having a hook at the beginning of your video, but nowadays, I think it is even more important to have a hook in the middle of your video. So when someone's watching this video, they might not stick around for the full 5 minutes, and if that happens, you need to make sure that they're not swiping away. To do this, you just need to keep your audience engaged throughout the entire video. And the best way to do that is to have some sort of hook every 15 to 30 seconds. Here's what that looks like. You can see that every few seconds I have some sort of element that keeps people engaged and wanting to watch the next part of the video. This is really important for keeping your retention high and making sure that people don't swipe away. If you want to copy this challenge, start with my free ChatGPT prompt pack. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description below. With this, you'll be able to generate high-quality video ideas, hooks, titles, and more using ChatGPT. It's going to make your life a whole lot easier, and it's completely free. Also, please smash that subscribe button. I post a video about AI and growing on social media every single week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.